The Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350X is now up for grab in the Indian market at an ex-showroom price of 1,56,000 Indian rupee, which makes it pricier than the standard Thunderbird 350 model by around 6,000 Indian rupee. The headlight gets LED with daytime running lights, and the DG analog instrument cluster is blessed with dual pods for the essential readouts. The combination of powertrain, suspension assembly and braking setup is what has been carried over from its predecessor. Aesthetics of the bike has been improved in order to attract a younger section of the audience. The wide handlebars as seen on the standard Thunderbird have been replaced by a more compact unit. There is a new short handlebar, black grab rail at the back beside the pillion seat, and the new comfy single seat. The steel rims have been ditched for the new stylish-looking 9-spoke black alloy wheels with tubeless tires 90/90 or 19 at front and 120/80 or 18 at rear. This is the first time that Royal Enfield bikes come fitted with tubeless tires. The bike sports a single-seat unit as opposed to the split-seat configuration on the stock Thunderbird models. Speedometer and tachometer are analog, odometer and tripmeter are digital. The components like headlamp with LED DRLs, exhaust, engine, instrument cluster, alloys and forks at the front get the blacked-out look, which is far too irresistible for petrol heads out there. The twin-pod setup on the semi-digital console is garnished in chrome that looks pleasing to eyes. Under the skin, the Thunderbird 350X gets the same motor as the stock one, single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled, 346cc engine that is capable of churning out a max power of 19.8 bhp at 5,250 revolutions per minute and 28 Nm of peak to work at 4,000 revolutions per minute. The 5-speed gearbox is in place for handling the transmission duties. Bolted on the single-down tube chassis, the bike gets 41mm telescopic front forks and 5-step adjustable preload twin gas-charged shocks at the rear. Braking department doesn't have ABS but comes with 280mm and 240mm discs at the front and rear respectively. The two paint choices for customers to pick include the Roving Red and the Whimsical White. Fuel tank capacity is 20 liters, wheelbase is 1,530 mm, ground clearance is 135 mm, curb weight is 195 kilograms. Overall length is 2,040 mm, overall width is 830 mm and overall height is 1,140 mm.